Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the world. Today is Friday, May 15th, 2009. This is day 40, and, I don't know what I'm gonna say. Like, I normally don't have anything planned to say, except that, today's Friday, and I like Fridays, because that means it's no work for the next 2 days after today. Also, today is kind of a poopy day outside. Kind of in and out. My throat hurts from my allergies. And as of right now, I think it's going to be a okay kind of day. I'll see what happens, and I'll play it by ear. Now, see, right now, see, I'll get some action. I'm rendering out the video from last night, and I usually do this at night, but when I was doing it last night, I kept on freezing, and I got really mad, and I punched my computer. Yeah, I did. I punched it. Because when something's broke, all you gotta do is bang it. But, hopefully it doesn't freeze, because it was freezing at 71, and right now it's at 65, so if it doesn't freeze, it's good. If it does freeze, I had to use Windows Media Player for this one and see what happens with what I'm doing on this one tonight. But other than that, this weekend I might do a double feature because it's gonna be crazy. Yankee game, and I might go out, and we'll see what happens. But tomorrow is definitely gonna be a crazy day. Should be fun. So let's see, we're at 70% here. Let's see if it freezes. 71%. See? You stupid bologna cheese sandwich. Ugh. My allergies are killing me. My nose won't stop running. My throat hurts. I just hope I don't feel it's tomorrow. I'm dying. Slow death. I don't know if that's an eagle or a hawk, but it's humongous. Oh my god. Come on. Move, turn around or something. Now I know why these birds are going crazy. They're attacking it. Did you see that? This is intense. I wish it would attack or do something. No wonder they're screaming and yelling. This is insane. Yeah, Grandpa, you said there's no such thing as hawks or eagles in Pelham. Guess who's wrong now, Grandpa? Huh? This is crazy. I'm not leaving until it moves. Maybe I can get his attention. At least I'm capturing this on video. Move out of the way, bird. I wonder if it's hurt or something. Look at that thing. I wish this branch wasn't here. I don't know if I should call, like, tell police and tell them there's a hawk in the tree. Maybe it's an eagle. I don't know. Look, it sees me. Can I talk to Mom? It's either an eagle or a hawk in the tree. Yeah, and these other birds are like attacking it. But it's just sitting there. It's huge. I don't think I can open this window. You know, I'm right by the gym stairway. I don't know if you like to call like the police or something, because it's like a big bird. Yeah, it's sitting right in front of me. All right. I don't think so. Maybe, but I don't want to leave. All right, I'll go downstairs in the gym. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna call 911. Yeah, I know. All right. Bye. This just got intense. I left, I came back, and it flew away. I had no time to capture it, but it was very big. It was a lot bigger than what it looked. Trust me. If you ever see Fernando, ask him. He scared it away.